Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 9 from chapter 1 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we have tectonic plates. They are large segments of Earth's crust and they move slowly. We're going to suppose one such plate has an average speed of 4.0 centimeters per year. We need to find the distance the plate moves in 1 second, and we need to find the speed in kilometers per million years. Okay, so let's write down what we know. We know the speed, we'll call it v, is 4.0 centimeters per year. And we know the time is 1 second. All right, so part A, speed v is distance per time. So we multiply both sides by time, we get distance is speed times time. Okay, so our distance is going to be 4.0 centimeters per year. Okay, our time is in seconds, and we prefer time to be in seconds. And so we will need to convert the years to seconds. Okay, 1 year is 365.25 days. And then in 1 day, we have 24 hours. And in 1 hour, we have 3,600 seconds. So that's our velocity in centimeters per second. And we're going to multiply that by 1 second. I did this calculation and I got 1.27 times 10 to the minus 7 centimeters. Now we prefer our length measurements, such as distance, to be in meters. So let's convert this to meters. And so in 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters. And then we'll just use 2 sig figs because that's what our speed is in. And so this is 1.3 times 10 to the minus 9 meters. So that's how far the plate will move in 1 second if it's going on average 4.0 centimeters per year. All right, now we need to convert the speed to kilometers per million years. Okay, so we have 4.0 centimeters per year. We'll set it equal to itself. Okay, and now we're going to need this in kilometers. So I like to go to meters and then from meters to whichever unit I need. So in 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters. And now in 1 kilometer, there are 1,000 meters. Okay. And then we need this in millions of years. And so there are 10 to the 6 years for every million year. Okay, and so this works out to be 40 kilometers for every million year. And that's million year, though it looks like my. But so that's how far, that's the equivalent. So 4 centimeters per year is equivalent to 40 kilometers every million years. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.